Hi everyone, so I'm back with another journal for you. This is a kind of writing journal. It's a mixture of some digitals. There is original vintage book pages in here, and like I said, it's not overly embellished, but it is a writing book. So it's a hardcover. I've made this using a box of some sort, and I've layered it up using file folders to give the green look. I think there's like two layers of the file folder. There is fabric, but there is a sandwiched fabric in between the layering for the spine, because there's actually about 3-4 layers there for the spine to make sure it's nice and sturdy. And then on the back, 2 signatures. So in total it measures 6 3/4 by 4.5. It has a 1.5 inch spine, 2 signatures, 112 pages, and I will be listing this either Etsy or my coffee shop, and I will have the direct link to that below in the description box. Okay, let's do a quick flip. So here we are with the flip through of this journal. I'm just doing a little voiceover for this. Yeah, it's just a complete kind of blank writing journal. There is a mixture of digitals, like I just said, and some stitching. There is original book pages in here, some Edith Holden. Obviously a great journal to, make your own. Got a few tags there. Do excuse the burn on my arm. I burnt myself on the cooker yesterday. That was really painful. I was taking something out of the oven and caught my arm on one of the grill things in there. Anyway, I'll survive. So yeah, done a little bit of stamping as well. I've just tied in the centre of the signatures. They can be undone because it's double knotted and then tied in a ball. So if you wanted to undo the ball, you can add like hearts on a string or something like that. The journal does have a bird theme to it. I can't remember where everything comes from because it was a whole different collection of books and digitals. So yeah, I'm going to shush now and you can just carry on watching. Like I said, this will be listed. The link to the listing will be below in the description box if you want to go and check that out. And if you have any questions, just ask, and I will be back probably soon. Actually, I'm going away for a couple of days, so I'll be back next week at some point.